Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's DMZ TV and my name is Dutch. And on today's show, we're gonna be talking about Hookah Beast Mode with the Steamulation Pro X. So as I mentioned before, we're gonna go over the Steamulation Pro X all the way from Germany. It's a beast of a hookah, but before we start, if you're new to this channel, go ahead and press the subscribe button so that way you'll be notified for any new videos coming out. Also, we have an Instagram channel. It's Dutch Masters TV. Just follow us there. We do lives, we do giveaways, we do stories, and a lot of fun stuff. So let's go ahead and start here. I broke the Steamulation Pro X into small little parts, and we're gonna go ahead and put it together. What shall we start with? How about we start with the heart? So this is the heart right here. As you can see, it has 4 valves where you can just put in a hose, and here in the bottom you can see that it has the 4 balls, and it also has 4 pistons, and that's the professional purge system that it has. So we're gonna go ahead and start with what part should we start with? Let's go ahead and put this in here. So screw this in. There we go. And then we're gonna go ahead and put this in there. So it has 8 steps that you can move it to. You just have to put some pressure on the first one here. So I can go ahead and adjust this all the way down, or put it all the way to the end. See that? So it's an adjustment system for your water level. I like to keep it all the way to the last one, and that's this one right here. Next, diffuser. Look at this beautiful diffuser here. Look at that beauty. Oh my God. And it's a closed diffuser, so we're gonna go ahead and put it in here. So you can go without the diffuser, or you can put in the diffuser, however you like to smoke. And this is gonna be like a little bit of pressure, and there we go. So let's go ahead and turn it around. Forgot to mention right here, as you can see here, there's some lines right here. This is actually to level the way you smoke. So you can put some pressure or have an open draw. So restricted draw will be all the way in the bottom, or you can go ahead and put it like that, and that will be an open draw. What I forgot to mention about the pistons. So the pistons will allow you to actually purge when all 4 of these valves are actually with hoses, and that's why you don't have to hold the end of the hose and then have the other one purge. No, there's no need. It has an individual way of purging. So next we're gonna go with the upper stem. So this is the upper stem. Look at this, all stainless steel, nice and heavy. And we're gonna screw this in here. So let's go ahead and screw this in. Beautiful. Now, let's go ahead and put this in there. So we're gonna grab this right here. Look at this beautiful matte finish right here. Oh, it's so beautiful. Now check this system out. So it's a lock-on system. All you have to do is slide this in here and then pull this down. That's it. We're done. Now let's go ahead and put the top part. So before I put the top part, we have to put these 2 together. So this one right here goes here. Actually, you have to put this straight through here. Put this here. Screw it on. Put this on top, and then last but not least, put this on top. Here is the grommet for the bolt, and there you have it, folks. It's all set up. I did forget the hose. Now the hose is soft touch silicone, and you can smoke out of any of these. This actually goes 360 degrees. Look at that, and you can smoke and move it around, and there'll be no problem. there you have it, folks. Steamulation Pro X. So let's go ahead and set up the bowl real quick. Went ahead and packed it. You can see right here, it's packed. Went with 50% non-nicotine and 15% Serbetli, lime spice peach, I believe it was. But most important thing is this little gadget right here from Steamulation. It's the Steamulation HMD heat management device. It's very interesting. Now, this device comes with a HMD plate on top. In the bottom, you can see it has a universal adapter, so you can go and put it on top of any kind of bowl. Now, the cool thing about this is, as you can see, you can bring this up, and whenever you want to put coals, you put it all the way to the top. So if you want, you can level this to whatever level you want of heat. So the higher you put it there, the less heat it gets. The lower it goes, the more heat it will have. The only thing about this is that you have to use foil. So just like the Provost, you'll have to foil it first, and that way you can put the HMD on top. So let's go ahead and foil this real quick. Let's get the foil right here. So I'm using foil right here, two-sided foil. I'm gonna put it right here and set it up real quick. So there we go. So you put the HMD on top, rest it real nicely on top here, and then all we need to do is put the coals. Whenever you put the coals, you have to lift this all the way to the top, and then we insert the coals right there. So I went ahead and added 3 coals just to heat it up. These are small cubettes, so I'm gonna go ahead and lower this all the way to the low level, and then place the HMD plate on top. Close it. I'm gonna leave this in there for like 4 to 5 minutes. And we're down to my favorite part of the show, and that's trying out the hookah, of course. Went ahead and heated the bowl for about 5 to 6 minutes organically. So I know it's ready. Let's go ahead and try this little baby out. Here we go. Whew, nice. Love the pull. So I have it right now at a pretty open pull. If some people like it restricted, some people like it open. I like it open all the time anyways. And the heat management device is doing an amazing job. I have it all the way down because I like to have a lot of heat. So right now it's all the way down. I can add another coal if I wanted to, but this is just 3 coals, small cubettes. Let's give it one more hit. Wow, amazing. So what I love from this design is you can see in the middle here, it's open, so you can see actually where the level of the water is. It's matte black. It's a beautiful design, very modern. I love it. And let's go ahead and try to purge. See that purge system? You can hear the valves working whenever you hit it, and then you hear that little, hear that? That's the purge system. The Pro Purge system with the 4 valves. So I've had this hookah for a while now. It's been like what, about 3.5 months. I've enjoyed it a lot, and I don't have anything negative to say about it. Everyone that comes here wants to try the hookah because it's such a beautiful hookah. And there you have it, folks, the Steamulation Pro X, all the way from Germany. Beast of a hookah. I love this hookah. It's very modern, full of gadgets. I really enjoyed smoking it with me and my friends, and I also have a couple of friends that went ahead and got it. Now, I want to give a big shout out to Steamulation for sending me this amazing hookah with the HMD. Also, I hope this video has been informative and entertaining for you. If you like it, don't forget to hit that like button. Also, do not forget to subscribe. And next to the subscribe button, there's a little bell right there. Don't forget to hit that bell so you'll be notified for any new videos that are coming out in the near future. So once again, this is DMZ TV. My name is Dutch. Until the next time, it's DMZ TV and we are